This is an apple. Apples are crunchy, sweet, and juicy. They come in red, green, and yellow. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a banana. Bananas are long and yellow. They're soft and sweet inside. Monkeys love them, and they give you quick energy. This is a mango. Mango is the king of fruits. It's sweet, juicy, and perfect for summer. People love mango juice, shakes, and slices. This is an orange. Oranges are round and full of vitamin C. They're juicy and refreshing and make tasty juice. These are grapes. Grapes grow in bunches and can be green, red, or purple. They're juicy and can be eaten fresh or dried into raisins. This is a pineapple. Pineapples are tropical fruits with a spiky skin and sweet yellow inside. They're great in juices and desserts. This is a papaya. Papaya has orange flesh and black seeds. It's soft and healthy and good for your tummy. This is a watermelon. Watermelons are big and green outside, red and juicy inside. Perfect to eat on a hot summer day. This is a strawberry. Strawberries are red with tiny seeds on the outside. They're sweet, juicy, and loved by kids everywhere. This is a blueberry. Blueberries are small, blue, and full of antioxidants. They're tasty in muffins, smoothies, or just as a snack. This is a raspberry. Raspberries are soft, red berries that are both sweet and tart. They're great in jam or eaten fresh. This is a cherry. Cherries are tiny red fruits with a pit inside. They're sweet and juicy, great for pies and toppings. This is a pear. Pears are bell-shaped fruits that are soft and sweet. They come in green, yellow, or red colors. This is a guava. Guavas are green on the outside, pink or white inside. They're full of vitamin C and very healthy. This is a pomegranate. Pomegranates have red skin and are filled with juicy seeds called arils. They're sweet, tangy, and super nutritious. This is a kiwi. Kiwis are brown and fuzzy outside, green and juicy inside. They're tangy, fun, and full of vitamin C. This is a lychee. Lychees are small, round, and red on the outside with a sweet white inside. A yummy tropical treat. This is a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit has bright pink skin and white or red inside with tiny black seeds. It looks amazing and tastes refreshing. This is a passion fruit. Passion fruits are round with a wrinkly skin and juicy, seedy pulp. They're tart, sweet, and super flavorful. This is a jackfruit. Jackfruit is huge and spiky outside, but inside it has sweet yellow pods. It can even be used as a meat substitute. This is a custard apple. Custard apples have a green, bumpy skin and a creamy, sweet inside. They're soft and delicious. This is a fig. Figs are sweet and chewy with tiny crunchy seeds inside. They're great fresh or dried. This is an apricot. Apricots are small, orange fruits that are soft and sweet. They're perfect for snacking and baking. This is a plum. Plums are juicy fruits with smooth skin and a big seed inside. They can be sweet or tart. This is a peach. Peaches are soft and fuzzy outside, juicy and sweet inside. Great for snacks, smoothies, and pies. This is a nectarine. Nectarines look like peaches but have smooth skin. They're juicy, sweet, and full of flavor. This is a coconut. Coconuts have a hard shell and white flesh inside. They give us coconut water, oil, and milk. This is a lemon. Lemons are yellow and sour. They're great in lemonade and help you stay healthy. This is a lime. Limes are green and tangy. They're used in cooking, juices, and for a zesty twist. This is a tangerine. Tangerines are like small oranges. They're easy to peel and super sweet. This is a star fruit. Star fruits are yellow and shaped like stars when sliced. They're juicy, crunchy, and very cool. This is an avocado. Avocados are creamy and green inside. They're full of healthy fats and great in guacamole. This is a date. Dates are brown, sweet fruits that grow on palm trees. They're chewy and full of energy. This is a gooseberry. Gooseberries are small, green, and a little sour. They're great in jams and very healthy. This is an elderberry. Elderberries are tiny and dark purple. They're used in syrups and are good for your immune system. This is a longan. Longans are like little lychees, juicy, sweet, and great for cooling down on hot days. This is a cantaloupe. Cantaloupes are orange inside with a rough tan skin. They're juicy, sweet, and perfect for a cool snack. This is a honeydew melon. Honeydew melons are green inside and smooth on the outside. They're sweet, refreshing, and full of water. This is an olive. Olives are small and oval shaped. They can be green or black and are used in salads, pizzas, and oil. This is a clementine. Clementines are small, sweet, and easy to peel. They're like baby oranges and loved by kids. This is a rambutan. Rambutans are red and hairy on the outside with sweet white fruit inside. They're fun to look at and yummy too. This is a soursop. Soursops are green and spiky outside with soft white inside. They taste sweet and sour, like a tropical treat. This is a rose apple. Rose apples are shiny and red or green. They're crisp, juicy, and smell like roses. This is a tamarind. Tamarinds are brown and pod-shaped with tangy pulp inside. This is a nance. Nance fruits are small and yellow with a strong, sweet smell. They grow in warm places and taste unique. This is a tomato. Tomatoes are red, round, and juicy. They're fruits that we often use like vegetables, in sauces, salads, and more. This is a grapefruit. Grapefruits are big and round with pink or red inside. They're juicy and a little sour, but super refreshing. This is a loquat. Loquats are yellow-orange fruits with a sweet, tangy taste. They're juicy and packed with vitamins.